Hi everyone. I would like to begin with one of my favorite quotes by Mahatma Gandhi ji. Be the change you wish to see in the world. I'm here to represent the ripples which created changes during these 9 years of my experiences in civil service. So I'm just part of one wave, and of course, every other person involved in the project is as important as me. So to begin with, it was in the year 2019. I was the sub-collector of Kozhikode. And there was an issue that there is a court case pending against the entire government with respect to a land issue. And I'm going to that space where the entire road is being covered by thousands of people who are fighting for their justice over land rights. So on one side, there is government, there's contempt against government, which means the topmost missionary of the government should appear before the court. On the other side, there are thousands of people on the road. And my job is to evict them from their place and show that we have done our job so that government is saved from its contempt. So I approached there, and these people did not allow officials to enter. But a few people who did have trust in me allowed only me to enter their colony. My gunman or my driver or any of the police officials were not allowed. So I entered there just because of their trust. And I was taken around through the colony. And I understood that they are, of course, entitled to live there. And it is my job to uphold the justice. But I'm caught between these two. So what I did was I just convinced them. We created an act of drama. They were like a family. A daughter was in a house and her mother was in another house. So I convinced the daughter that for the sake of my eviction, I'm removing this mother from her house and let her move to the next house, which is the daughter's house. We recorded it and then submitted before the court so that the government is saved from the contempt. But then I briefed my collector that this particular group of people who do not have their rights on the land are, of course, entitled to claim those rights because they've been there for 30 years. So we were trying to find if there's any document which can prove their existence in that particular parcel of land for 30 years. And we traced out down to even first standard, second standard admission register. And this is where I had to leave because my tenure got over and I shifted. After 3 years, I got a message from my collector. That particular act, wherein we tried to establish their right over the land, has become successful. The court has agreed, and they were all given that land. And they were all given patents for their land. Just one act. One act created a ripple, and thousands of families were able to get their rights over land. And as a subdivisional magistrate, we were all adjudicators of maintenance tribunal that is involved in welfare of parents and senior citizens. And in Kerala, it's indeed implemented in a very good way. So as part of my work, I used to go on night raids to understand if there are any parents, any senior citizens who are left over in the roads without care of their kids. And I spotted a few people. I convinced them that we will rehabilitate you to old age homes where you will be given proper care and attention. But they have been on the roads for years together, for decades together, and they did not want to give up that freedom. So there was another attempt headed by my district collector, then district collector, Mr. Siram Shamasiva Rao. We again tried to convince, but we failed. We just were able to convince one particular person, and we took him to old age home just for him to leave it that very next morning. And then there's opportunity in every adversity. COVID hit, and these people had to be rehabilitated. That is when they had come to us approaching for shelter. And even then, I was not there in the district. It was spearheaded my then district collector in Kozhikode. And they were able to put up 3 beautiful homes just with the support of civil society under the project name Udayam. There are 3 homes, one for people who will be able to care for themselves, they just need a shelter at night. And the second one is for people who require skill support, and then once they acquire the required skill set, they'll be able to earn their own livelihood. And the third is for terminally ill patients who just need to be tended for, and the palliative care was given importance for. That small act wherein we wanted to see if there's anyone on the road culminated into something, a society movement, more beautiful. Not even a single amount of penny from government was spent on that project. It was purely owned by society. During my tenure as Director of Collegiate Education, I was told that there are students in government colleges who can't afford a single meal for lunch. And they pull in money, 3, 4, 5 friends together, and then buy a meal which they share. It was COVID, and we were not able to do anything about it because it was online classes. But once the COVID ban was lifted, we made an arrangement with Kudumbashree, wherein we encouraged them to provide meals for 40 rupees, out of which 30 rupees was given as a subsidy, and a student has to pay 10 rupees for a full meal. This actually changed the lives of thousands of students. Initially, we started it in 2022, where 4,500 beneficiaries were there, and this year there are 7,800 beneficiaries. This might be a smaller thing, but this has changed the lives of people in all the parts of the state, especially the remotest corners. And this could not have been possible without the support of Kudumbashree, the entire college team, the students who have all come forward to be a part of it. So just like I said, I've been representing the team which has helped achieve all these programs in the past few years. And these kind, small gestures matter. And just to take it forward, among larger group of people, especially school kids, that is when we launched Wall of Love in Kottayam. Kottayam, known as land of 3 L's, deserves to be known as land of 4 L's, the 4th L being love. Every small act of kindness, love matters. We don't know what a person is going through in his or her life. What we know might be maximum of 5% of one person's life. And our act of kindness can definitely create a better world for them, and that is being experienced in our project Wall of Love. And G20, which was held in Kumarakom, was held in KTDC's property, Waterscapes. Nowhere in the country a PSU was able to host such a big event. There was a competition between KTDC and another private entity. And what made us different was our commitment to environment. If you look at articles on G20 in Kumarakom, you will find the articles are revolving around the concept of green environment, green energy throughout it. So this is how we want to make a difference, because we had delegates from 20 countries and other 15 invitees and other organizations. We wanted to give them a takeaway reflecting the culture, heritage, nature of our district. And that is how this happened. Every act matters, be it in whatever position one may be. We may be a small element in the universe, yet significant. And this has to be borne in mind whenever we are delivering any action or any transaction between individuals. Finally, we have launched a project called Beloved Kottayam, just with a simple dream of creating orphan-free Kottayam district. At present, there are 680 kids who are in institutions, and what we want is 680 families ready to welcome these kids into their homes, into their lives, to create better future for them. And every contribution, every initiative matters, because that is not only going to benefit this particular child, but the entire society in one or the other way, because the child is going to interact with the society at different levels possible. Just concluding with one last line, lyric from a movie in Tamil, Indian. Chinna chinna anbil thane jeevan ennum irukku. Hope you got it. In small acts of kindness lies the entire life. Let us all remember it in our every interaction, every transaction, and do our bit, our significant bit, to create a better world. Thank you.